Gaining a foothold, unlocking the secrets of an essential phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often appears in both everyday conversations and professional settings: getting a foothold. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of nuanced English expressions. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this essential phrase together. At its core, getting a foothold refers to securing a stable position from which further progress can be made. It's a metaphorical expression derived from the physical act of finding a firm place to stand or support oneself, especially when climbing or trying not to fall. In everyday language, it symbolizes establishing a secure or advantageous position in various contexts, such as starting a new job, entering a new market, or embarking on any new venture. The term foothold originally comes from the world of climbing, where a secure spot for one's foot is crucial for upward movement. This physical necessity has transformed into a figurative expression used across many areas of life. For example, in the business world, a company might seek to get a foothold in a new market by establishing a presence or gaining initial customers. In personal growth, an individual might get a foothold in a new career by acquiring an entry-level position that offers room for advancement. To fully grasp the phrase's versatility, let's look at some examples. After months of searching, I finally got a foothold in the publishing industry with an internship at a well-known magazine. Our startup is trying to get a foothold in the competitive tech market by launching an innovative app. She got a foothold in the academic world with her groundbreaking research on climate change. Getting a foothold is a powerful expression that captures the essence of beginning and advancing in any endeavor. By understanding and using this phrase, you can more effectively communicate your goals, challenges, and successes in English. Whether you're climbing a mountain, starting a new job, or entering a new phase in life, getting a foothold is the first step towards achieving your dreams. We hope this video has helped shed light on this versatile phrase and inspired you to secure your foothold wherever you may need it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.